Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sampurasun. Kumaha baraya sadaya daramang. Alhamdulillahnya mugi sehat selalu sareng ditebihkeun tina bara bahayana. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Dina denget ieu simkuring salaku host nepangkeun wasta Candika Wijaya sareng teu nyalira ieu teh. Kaleresan disarengan ku
And I'm Siti.
anu bade mandu acara ieu. Ti payun urang panjatkeun puji sinareng syukur ka Gusti Nu Maha Suci kulantaran nikmat sareng hidayahna urang tiasa deui ngagelarkeun ieu acara sok sanaos secara virtual. Oge teu hilap shalawat sinareng salam urang lungsurkeun ka Nabi bana Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ka para sahabatna tur dugi ka urang umatna akhir zaman. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin. Urang lajeng wae kanu paling intina nanging sateu acan ninggal video salanjutna ulah hilap subrek centang tombol loncengna teu hilap like sareng share hatur nuhun. Mun urang kanu nomor hiji wae nyaeta karya rupa dua dimensi nyaeta mun urang kanu nomor hiji wae nyaeta karya rupa dua dimensi nyaeta nu kahiji nyaeta aya karya rupa seni dua dimensi nyaeta bahan-bahan utamana acuk nutos teu kaanggo papan triplek, solasi anu transparan, sareng tinta sablon. Urang kanu nomor 2 wae baraya nyaeta aya karya dua dimensi lukisan. Nah, lukisan nyaeta bahan-bahan utamana kanvas, cat air, sareng koas. Nuhun sakitu tah. Urang lajeng deui baraya kanu nomor 3 nyaeta aya karya dua dimensi komik. Nah, nuhun komik atanapi cerita bergambar. Bahan-bahan utamana nyaeta aya HPS, pensil sareng pensil warna.
This is a work of transferring an image on a cutting board depicting Pak Insinyur Soekarno face. This is a work of transferring an image on a cutting board depicting Pak Insinyur Soekarno face. This is a work of transferring an image on a cutting board depicting Pak Jenderal Sudirman face. This is a pink and blue cardboard lettering masterpiece. This is a cardboard lettering piece in black. This is a black and blue cardboard lettering masterpiece. This is a nameplate work in green and white. This is a nameplate work in blue and white. This is a nameplate work in black and brown. This is a nameplate work in black and brown. This is a nameplate work in black and brown. This is an ice cream dim flower vase. This is a vase of flowers in white and green. This is a flower vase on the night sky. This is a Mona-shaped work made of chalk. This is a piggy bank made out of cans.